Shared albums let you view and manage all albums shared with you, including those you created and those shared by others. This makes it easy to collaborate on photos with family or team members. On the library page, select the photos you want to share. Click Add to Album, then choose Create Album and enter a custom album name. Once created, you can share the album via a link with external NAS users, or add internal NAS users directly and assign their permissions. All shared albums can be managed in one place under Shared Albums. On the Shared by Me page, right-click a target album or open its details to perform various actions. Share. Adjust internal and external sharing permissions, link validity, and access password. Stop sharing. Revoke all sharing permissions and links so others can no longer access the album. Download all photos and videos in the album to your local device. Invite friends to upload, create or update an invite link so friends can upload photos directly to this album. Rename, change the album's name. Add to navigation bar. Pin the album to the side navigation bar for quick access. You can remove it the same way. Delete album, remove the album categories. The photos and videos inside will still remain in the library and folders. On the Shared by Others page, right-click a target album or open its details to manage it. Download to library to save files from the shared album into a selected folder. Download to local to batch download all photos and videos to your device. Invite friends to upload to generate or edit a link, allowing others to add photos directly. Rename to update the album name. Add to navigation bar to pin an album shared by others to the side navigation bar for easy access. You can remove it the same way. Decline this share to remove access. After doing this, it will be removed from your albums list under Shared by Others. Note that available actions depend on the permissions set by the owner. You may have view only, download, upload, or full management access.